So this is about the exhaust repacking kit. So usually the company recommends after certain kilometer of usage, they recommend to change the packing. So that is the gas oil packing inside the exhaust. So this is the Two Brothers tarmac racing exhaust. We have the Two Brothers tarmac racing exhaust on our Z800. So we are going to get the packing changed. So the company recommends to change the packing after every 25,000 kilometers or 30,000 kilometers. So we are going to change this packing now in our Z800. So let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see this gas oil. You could see the repack kit written, and that's the model number. So this is the cover, and these are the rivets, which are very important, and they provide also the drill bits, which you can see here, the drill bits also. So as I said, the repacking kit is available for specific models. So depending on the model, you get the repacking kit. And as I said, this is for the tarmac exhaust. It costed around $21. So that's pretty reasonable. So with all the tax, it comes to $31, 31.98, that is $32 approx. So we'll see the installation process in a while once we go to the workshop. All right, see you there. Bye. So we are having the exhaust removed. You can see we have to remove those rivets.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು.
So likewise, you could see all the rivets of one side is removed. Pipe connect ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so you can see that the is coming off. There you go. See how the gas oil has become. See how it is. So unusable. It's completely roasted barbecue. See the carbon deposit there. You see guys, how your carbon is built inside your exhaust. That's the new packing. See how shiny and milky white it is. See how this is. See how hollow it is. Just only the mesh and the packing is what sits inside this. So you pay 50k for this, 50 grams. Two Brothers Racing, USA. So just we need to remove the ceramic tip while inserting. So so that it slides in easily, and then you can compress it and put it back. To install it from the link tip, but it was not going back inside, so we are now removing the end tip and see if we can refit the gasoil back. So we are removing the release of the end tip. See how it. You can see the back tip is removed now. So we'll be trying to insert it this side. So looks like it's finally setting in. So that extra what is there, we need to push it inside so that it properly fits. Hello. So we're installing the gasket now.
Yeah.
Karthik is going to try. Let's see how it is.
Thumbs up. Oh, you went more.
Very tough. It's a stainless steel rivet, not an aluminium one. It's very strong.
ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಫೈಬರ್ 5 ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಲೋ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ. ಹಾಂ ಓಪನ್ ಐತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಂ ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಂ
So very tough.
ಇರೋ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸಮಾಚಾರ ಇದ್ದಾದಂಗೆ
ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಎರಡು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಒಂದೇನಾ? So the exhaust is now going back. So the exhaust is back, and the moment of truth, we'll turn it on. See the difference now. Looks like there is some improvement in the gas. Alright, so that's it. That's about the exhaust repacking stuff. See you in another video. Bye.